Hi, everyone, and welcome to Anatomy of an Article. As you journey through college, you'll encounter both scholarly and peer reviewed articles. Scholarly articles are written by experts for an academic audience, while peer reviewed articles are reviewed by other experts before publication to ensure the research is original, significant, and reliable. Knowing the structure of these articles can help you navigate and utilize the information more effectively. Today we'll break down the key components of an article and explain the purpose of each part. Before diving into the anatomy of an article, let's review how to find one using Summon, our library's search tool. Go to the library's website and click on the Summon search box. Enter keywords related to your research topic. For instance, searching social media literacy and preteens or teens can yield relevant results. Use the filters on the left to narrow down your results. Let's use the article titled Beyond Cyber Safety: The Need to Develop Social Media Literacies in Preteens to identify and understand the key components. The title is your first introduction to the content. It should be concise and informative, giving you a clear idea of what the article is about. Good titles often include key terms related to the study and its findings. The abstract is a brief summary of the entire article, highlighting the main objectives, methods, results, and conclusions. By reading the abstract, you can quickly determine whether the article is relevant to your research. Objective: a good abstract clearly states what the authors are studying and why. Consider if this objective aligns with your research needs. Is this objective helpful to you when writing your paper? Do you think an answer to the question they're studying would help you answer your research question? If so, keep reading. Method: the abstract provides key points about the methodology. Evaluate whether the method sounds trustworthy. If so, or even if you're unsure and want to learn more before you decide, keep reading. Results: the abstract highlights the key findings. Assess if these results are useful for your research question. If so, keep reading. Conclusion: the abstract includes a brief synopsis of the author's conclusions. Determine if these conclusions add to your understanding of the topic, prove a point related to your thesis, or change your opinion by presenting new information. The introduction: the introduction sets the stage by providing background information and explaining the significance of the research. It states the research question or hypothesis, which is a testable prediction that the study or experiment will address. This section outlines the study's objectives, helping readers understand why the research was conducted and what it aims to discover. In some articles, the literature review is part of the introduction and will share a brief overview of the other articles that have been written about the same topic. The methods section explains how the authors conducted their study or experiment, which is important for replication and evaluation. This section typically includes the instrument, sample, parameters, and analysis. The instruments are the tools used to gather data, such as questionnaires or interviews. These authors used an online survey and focus group interviews. The sample is the population study, noting its size and composition. Parameters are guidelines for data collection, even if not explicitly mentioned. The analysis is the formula or process used to analyze the data. Next, results. The results section presents the findings, detailing the data and outcomes without interpretation. It often includes tables, figures, and descriptive statistics to summarize the key discoveries. The discussion section interprets the results, explaining their implications and how they relate to the research question or hypothesis. It also addresses the study's limitations and suggests areas for future research. The conclusion summarizes the main findings and their significance and may include recommendations based on the study's results. The References section lists all sources cited in the article, allowing readers to locate original sources and verify the study's credibility. Thank you for watching. Knowing the anatomy of an article is essential for your research, as it helps you understand, assess, and produce quality academic work. Remember, librarians are always here to support you. For help, reach out through the Ask a Librarian chat available 24/7 or contact us via email or phone. Happy reading and writing!